Good morning students. Warm welcome to chemistry online class. In previous session we learned about metallurgy. Today we have to see about occurrence of metals and properties of metals. So we go to this session. In Tamil Nadu some of the metals will be presented. That is limestone, gypsum, titanium, magnetite, tungsten. These are presented in some districts. You take limestone, it is presented in Coimbatore, Kudalur and Dindigul. You go to gypsum, it is presented in Tiruchi and Coimbatore. Titanium, it is presented in Coimbatore and Salem. Magnetite, that is presented in Dharmaburi, Erode, Salem and Tiruvannamalai. Next, tungsten, it will be presented at Madurai and Dindigul. Okay, these are the occurrence of metals in Tamil Nadu. Next, we go to periodic properties of metals. That is properties of metal, that is physical and chemical properties. Now we go to physical properties. That is physical properties are physical states of matter. Next luxure. Next hardness, melting point and boiling point, density, ductility, malleability, conduction of heat and electricity. Next solubility. Okay, first we go to physical states of matter. That is how the metals are presented. It will be presented as solid at room temperature. Some of the metals that does not exist in solid form, it is presented in liquid form, that is mercury and gallium. These are presented as liquid form in room temperature. Next, luxure. What is meant by luxure? Metals possess a high luxure called metallic luxure. Next, hardness. What is meant by hardness? You know very well all the metals are hard, that you see iron, that are very hard in nature. But exceptional case, potassium and sodium we can easily cut by the knife. Next, we go to melting point and boiling point. Usually all metals possess high melting point and boiling point except gallium, mercury, sodium and potassium. Exceptional case why? Because gallium and mercury are liquid at room temperature. Then sodium and potassium are very hardless metals in it. So it is having a low melting point and boiling point. Next we go to ductility. What is meant by ductility? Metals are usually converted into thin sheet or thin wire. Thin wire is known as ductility. Thin sheet is known as malleability. In ductility, it can be drawn into a thin wire. Exceptional case, that is sodium and potassium. Malleability, that it can be beaten into a thin sheets except zinc and mercury. Next, density of a metal. All the metals having high density. Less density is potassium and sodium than water. Potassium and sodium are less than water, so it will be floating on the surface of the water. Remaining metal, that can be zinc inside the water. Okay, next, conduction of heat and electricity. Metals are good conducting of heat and electricity except tungsten. Next, solubility. What is meant by solubility? You know very well. Solubility means that is dissolved in some other element. We take liquid solvent, that is water. The metals does not dissolve in water. Okay, next we go to chemical properties. That is, first one is valence electron, formation of ions, discharge of ions, atomicity, nature of oxides. First one, valence of electrons. Atoms of metals usually have 1, 2 and 3 electrons in their outermost shell. So, it having a valency 1, 2 or 3. Formation of ions. Metals always lose their electron to form a positive ions. Okay, next, discharge of ions. What is meant by discharge? In electrolytic process, all the metals deposited at cathode because metal discharge at cathode during the electrolysis process. In this process, the metal is converted into positive ion. Already we know very well, metals always form positive by loss of electron. Atomicity. Molecules of metals in their vapor state are usually monoatomic because it is presented in single. Next, nature of oxides. Oxides of metals are usually basic in nature. You take calcium hydroxide. Calcium is a metal. Whenever it addition with sodium hydroxide to form a calcium hydroxide, the calcium hydroxide when dissolves in water, it gives basic solution. So, nature of the oxides of metals are usually basic in nature. Okay, thank you. This session will be over today.